A very warm hello to everyone. My name is Dr. Ann Steele, and I am one of the formulators of CellAge Plus. I would like to congratulate all the amazing achievers here tonight who are being honored at this special event, the CellAge Virtual Recognition Night. And I would also like to take the opportunity to celebrate a very special product, CellAge Plus. As you know, CellAge Plus brings the power of regenerative health to each individual, and that makes personal regenerative power possible. Think on that for a minute. Regenerative power is not only accessible, but it's also in one's own control. How does that happen? Well, CellAge Plus has been specifically and uniquely formulated for this very purpose using some remarkable ingredients. I would like to talk about one of these amazing ingredients that sets CellAge Plus far beyond anything else on the market. Moreover, this ingredient has the powerful distinction of a long historic and evolutionary status dating back approximately 750 million years. That time frame coincides with the rise of what were called lower metazoa, or primitive life forms. What is unique about these life forms, however, and important, is that they started to differentiate specialized tissues to do various primitive jobs in their bodies. And amazingly, it was abscisic acid, or ABA biosynthesis, that was a key regulator driving many of these physiological processes, which were inherent to the cellular differentiation and which enabled these primitive organisms to develop into much more complex life forms. So, since abscisic acid, or ABA, was able to sustain increasingly complex tissue development, it was conserved or saved. Conserved across time as a hugely important signaling molecule that could work as differentiation and evolutionary magic across species. That same ABA is present in extreme abundance in triticum, in CellAge Plus. In fact, triticum, or wheatgrass, contains the most abundant amount of ABA among all plants. ABA is a critical phytohormone or plant hormone, controlling regenerative processes such as seed development, which is really the seed's egg, and its differentiation into all different parts of the plant. And amazingly, once again, the same ABA from the triticum can act as a bioidentical hormone, cross-talking to human cells. The cross-talking and species-sharing ability of this important signaling molecule has been captured and utilized in CellAge Plus, where it can talk to human cells, specifically stem cells, and can affect their numbers, invoking signals for them to proliferate or start dividing, thus making more available for regeneration of tissues. Our private research studies have demonstrated that the basic formulation that is included in CellAge Plus gives rise to increased numbers of hematopoietic and mesenchymal stem progenitor cells. The hematopoietic stem cells give rise to all of our blood elements, including our red blood cells and our immune cells. And the mesenchymal stem progenitors have the ability to travel throughout the body anywhere to tissues and organs in need of enhanced refreshing or frank rejuvenation. This ABA boost accelerates our bodies towards increased health and healing. And CellAge Plus puts the power of this regeneration and rejuvenation into the hands of all who engage this amazing product. Wishing you all regenerative health and great success. Good night.